Today I have a product that I'm very excited to share with you. It's the Logitech K380 compact keyboard. It should work with virtually any device that's Bluetooth enabled. It has keys for Mac OS, Android, and Windows. Let's get it open. It comes with two pre-installed AAA batteries. And it can be paired with 3 devices at the same time, and you can switch between those 3 devices with the push of a button. Now let's see if it'll pair to the Amazon Fire TV. In the past I've had quite a few keyboards that won't fully work with this. It's a good sign that it has detected it. Let's put in that passcode. 010. Enter. Oh, and it looks like it works. The arrow keys work. That's awesome. Now that I've had the time to actually test the keyboard and use it for some time, I'd like to talk about some pros and cons. The first is that the tactile feedback is great. It's much better than most keyboards in this price range. The second is that this wedge shape provides a nice angle. Many keyboards, such as even the Logitech K380 that I have here, are completely flat, and it's not that comfortable of a typing position. This one provides just a little bit of an angle that you can feel. I'd still prefer more, but for such a portable item such as this, it really helps. Also, the non-slip feet on the bottom are really nice. It doesn't get easily pushed around on this slick surface that I have. You have to really push to get it to move. Also, these 3 keys here let you have it paired to 3 devices at any time, and with just the push of a button you can switch between devices without having to repair or go into your Bluetooth settings. It's very easy to pair, and I can do that now. You just go into your Bluetooth settings, and you push and hold the key that you want it to pair to for 3 seconds until it starts blinking rapidly. It'll then show up here. Enter the code that it gives you. And you're done. Now whenever I press this key, assuming Bluetooth is on the tablet, it will pair the tablet. Typing is really easy. I don't seem to miss many keys, although it did take me a couple of minutes to get used to, just because the round keys don't provide as much room for error as the traditional square keys do on other keyboards. Also, I really like that the keyboard is very quiet. It doesn't produce much noise, even if you start typing quickly. All the keys are where you'd expect them to be on a traditional keyboard, and they're labeled for Windows and Mac OS. You just have to look here in gray for the Mac OS ones. Android keys are up here, and then your quick function keys for sound and media are up top on the right side. And now for the cons. The pros far outweigh the cons, so I can't complain too much. However, it feels as if it weighs more than the tablet itself. So for portability, that's not such a great thing. Also, I don't like that it runs on AAAs. It's nice that they included the batteries, however, I much prefer a rechargeable keyboard. And then the other is what I mentioned earlier about the round keys being a little bit less forgiving than the square keys. However, it does provide the ability to be a much more compact keyboard, and it does look pretty cool. Talking about a compact keyboard, you can see here that it is actually about the size of a laptop keyboard, even with the borders. Overall, I really enjoy using it. I love how portable it is, and I love that I can have it paired to my PC, my Mac, and my tablet. It makes traveling with one keyboard and multiple devices very easy, and for the price point I have no complaints. I'll provide a link in the description below if you're interested.